This is a 2005 Chevrolet Avalanche. It has what you need for work as well as what you want for play. It features a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include a power driver's seat, air conditioning with vents for rear seat passengers, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, aluminum wheels, a bed liner, traction control and stability control systems, steering wheel controls, and an anti-theft protection system. This Chevrolet has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.